Ekiganiro eki kyaikwamo abahango ku rw'amatendekero gatari gamwe na gamwe omuri Mbarara na heru yaho Minisita Monica Museno nuwe yabaari omugyenyi mukuru.
So my question is, should we look for adaptation and mitigation, or should we look at thriving and harnessing?
Ekiganiro kyankiri ekyokurondera omubazi na munonga ah'empinukahinduka y'obwire kiwakweta theme eyanegira ngo climate change adaptation and mitigation role of universities.
Request that all universities adopt this. They say number one, they are going to do research. Number two, innovate. And innovation is not necessarily meaning scientific. You can have a social innovation. For example, straight was a social innovation. Education was a social innovation. There's so many social innovations.
We can engage the private sector. They have the money. They have the money. And if you are talking about the role of the universities, one of the things, if we are ready to make this point very clear on issues of climate change, we can actually even boycott those companies that are destroying the environment.
Hona nawe itendekero ya Bishop's University lyakoze omugisha ogwo okwigura omu butongore ibiciro ry'ebitabo eri nerya karina mukaga.
Let us learn from Mongolia. May the students of BSU be as brilliant as Mongolia. Yeah. Yes. He was very key and influential in getting us to get to this land. Or actually it was his and he gave it to.
I'm happy that ZCK Mongolia behaved like her grandchildren.
And then I remembered how my late father, our late father, used to love his books, his files, his newspapers.
Ebyona barino bikora uko mugumwe gukonja kwetegurira okujwara kw'abayeji abo mu rundi rwa 20 kitendekero ya Bishop Stewart University. Omuganda abeji bankola Western University omuri Kabuheshema municipality batandika ekibiina okwera abeji na munonga abo abatari kwebasa abeji abatandika eki nibaruga omu district ya Kirhura na Kazo.
Tinkubasa kweta kananye kunkubere nte n'ekindi tokubasa kunyeta nturwana munyenchakare neto tukaba successful abo kuba kuba successful wenka no kushango ryo mugega hacyaro wenka nacyo ni kibi abo kuba tokwija noza na wabo mugega tokubasa kwekora byona
abashaba mwamanye mukebera icyari cyanyu manye cyabaretse mu mashomero kushoma mukikirize kongwe kucyara bingi
abeji bingi banje kushobora abaci ebyona barino babikora.
Ekyamazima kazuna cyuhura nense sinziriye kumanywa isitakunda kuba involved mu bintu byo kushomesa na munonga abana babishyi mena ninjumeja umuze gwo kwinjira abana babishyi bakiri bato
aba bayaraganza okora kibayita marathon omu district ya Kirhura na Kazo kurungumwe gwo kongera okurunda nebyo ebirayongere kwera ari abo abatari kwebasa
bakabuza matama gandi ngo abantu bawe no bendeza ati cyo kubanza ni mbendeza education ati cya kabiri ni mbendeza education ati cya kashatu ni mbendeza education ngo mweshuri omugasho gwa education ngo niki yaje ati cyo kubanza ni vachu ecya kabiri ni vachu ecya kashatu ni vachu
to encouraging abana narabeji okugira ngo baforming clubs ziri important ahabukuba nizihereza abana more confidence okutandika kwekwataramo ombintu byentunguka
abati ibi West ni Senyomo Gideon na Michael atwachire.